How to send handwritten message on iPhone or iPad. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple guide on how to send handwritten messages using the Messages app on iOS devices. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the chat of the person to who you wish to send the handwritten message. First of all, what you gotta do is turn off the orientation lock. So for that, what you gotta do is scroll down and here you gotta click on this, and after that what you're going to do is rotate your phone, and after doing so what you're going to do is type on text message, and here you'll be able to see this option. So you're going to click on here, and here what you're going to do is you're going to write something. For example, I'm going to write like hello, and after that you can just click on done. And once you do so, you'll be able to see your message over here. You can shift back and turn your phone again, and after that you can hit enter. So that was basically how you can send handwritten messages on iPhone and iPad. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.